Boom shakalaka, what is going on everybody? Randall here from Crypto Love. In today's episode we are going to be talking about the incoming Bitcoin crash and also, is Elon Musk the new McAfee? But before we do, we'll talk about some news as well after a message from our sponsor. Alright, now today in the markets, you notice I'm using open market cap instead of coin market cap because I'm tired of all that wash trading stuff. Well, what's going on today? Not much. Market's moving sideways, still $164 billion market, 52.33% Bitcoin dominance. Right now, Bitcoin at 52.36, Ethereum at 157, and XRP at 29 cents. The big gainers for today would be Crowd Machine, Bitcoin, and Cash. The big losers, Dent, Ravencoin, and Digix Tau. Ravencoin is one that I definitely have my eye on long term, but wait till it comes back down to a more reasonable amount, like a penny or two. Now, if we take a look at the charts today, as you can see from the charts, the price is going down. I mean, it's clearly obvious. There's a giant red arrow on the chart. If you can't read that, you obviously don't know TA. But there's a lot of reasons why it's going down, most notably that we keep getting rejected from this gray line. This is the 50 weekly moving average. Right here when we were rejected, there was the golden cross. Same thing happened in 2015. The golden cross happened at a peak in the price that correlated with this 50 weekly MA, and then the price dropped. So it looks like that could potentially be happening again all the way down to this yellow line, which is the 200 weekly moving average. The Bitcoin has never broken through to the bottom side. So, the big question today, is Musk the new McAfee? If you guys remember back, take a little journey back with me about a year and almost a half ago, you guys would remember McAfee's coin of the day tweets. The shitty tweets where he would say something and then a coin would pump. Well, I found this article, not exactly a great article because this was published back in June of 2018, and it would say what would you have made if you held McAfee's coin of the day to date. That article is just basically testament not to hold altcoins. But it goes through. He takes a look at all of them: Electronium, Burst, Digibyte, Redcoin, Humanic, Tron, and Factom. And out of all those altcoins, and also Dogecoin and Stellar Lumens, all right, out of all of those, and Syscoin, geez, a lot of them, okay, all of them, only one out of those 10 would you have made a profit holding all the way from December at their all-time highs to June. Go figure. But if we take a look on the other hand, because McAfee did tweet and then the prices went up, and it happened with Electronium where it was, what was it, 7 cents to begin with, and then went all the way up to 19 cents. So you could have more than doubled your money on that one. Burst, same type of thing, 4 cents, and then all the way up to 11 cents. So had you sold at a profit on all these, obviously you could have made a lot of money. Now that's what McAfee was doing, where he was tweeting coins, and the price would go up. In the past, I don't know, a few months, Elon Musk has started doing that as well. This started back in October 2018, where he first said, want to buy some Bitcoin, which was one of his first tweets about cryptocurrencies. People were pretty enthusiastic when Elon Musk got into cryptos. And then more recently, the beginning of April, not April Fool's Day, but April 2nd, I guess that would be like the double Fool's Day, he said Dogecoin rules and had this little meme here. Everybody thought Elon was into Doge. The one big difference, though, between what Elon's been doing and what McAfee was doing is the price doesn't pump after Elon post something. But what does happen is people leave a lot of funny responses. So just today or yesterday, last night, 2 hours ago, something like that, he tweeted Ethereum. And then right afterwards he tweeted, no, just kidding. But I did want to share some of the comments down here because I thought they were pretty funny. Crypto Christopher Walken, he said, hurry everyone, shill your shitcoins. And without missing a beat, Justin Sun said Tron. And Just Truth said, stop it and get some help. And so Justin's son, not one to lose faith, he said BitTorrent. But then There was some other funny stuff on here. You should go read through it. There's a whole bunch of funny stuff. But also, oh yeah, Elon Musk. You know, a tweet about Ethereum from Elon Musk. Vitalik says you should come to our DevCon in October. And Elon responded, stop giving away free ETH. Haha. And then further down, of course, the Ripple army, who's more sensitive than the clitoris, somewhere down here, starts shilling Ripple. So, a lot of people, I know you guys were asking about XRP and Ripple. I saw this article about it that did kind of make some sense. So a lot of people who hold Ripple want the price to go up to $589 before the end of last year. It didn't happen. In case you didn't see that, it didn't happen. You know why? Because it's a remittance settlement cryptocurrency. It's not one that you actually need to hold. It's not something that'll get bigger and bigger because the amount of time that these XRP settlements are used are 1 minute, 2 minutes, something like that. So even if they got every bank on board, they wouldn't need that much XRP. In fact, there's a Twitter researcher known as CryptoKia who said that XRP should be treated as a means of providing liquidity and not as an asset to hold on to. In his opinion, the price at 0.0043 cents, so that's like not even a cent, at half a cent is still enough to sell the entire foreign exchange volume of 5.1 trillion. So, hence we don't need a pricier Ripple. Sorry, Ripple people. Also in the news, FedEx, UPS, and DHL joined forces to call government to mandate blockchain adoption for international shipping. They say it'll help better track the provenance of goods and help to combat the trafficking of digital items and illegal goods. In the move to a digital world, there's a lot of information they need, such as certificates of origin, certain commodities, different things like that. And the technology they use right now, 60-year-old technology, doesn't present real-time information. Now, the three of them, FedEx, DHL, and UPS, have joined the Blockchain and Transport Alliance, an industry organization with more than 500 members, including a few cryptocurrencies that are into blockchain, supply chain, things like Origin Trail, other ones that you may have heard of. So, I guess that's a good move for DHL, FedEx, and UPS, saying, hey, blockchain is real, let's start using it. Also in the news, Iran and Switzerland continuing to trade thanks to cryptocurrencies. So there's recently been sanctions against Iran, obviously because they don't have a Rothschild central bank. Well, they said, F it, we'll just use cryptocurrencies, and now they're doing that. Can't stop them now, Rothschilds, unless you're Satoshi. Now the last thing, I'd like to end with a positive note. Now, while this may not be positive for the price, it's positive for, hey, maybe this is a heads up. This is what I was talking about earlier. Magic Poop Cannon also saying the same thing. Obviously, he's been watching my channel, that the 50 weekly MA rejected the price, and it will likely go back down to somewhere around the 200 weekly moving average. Especially with bad news like this. This chart that I used in the thumbnail today, as you can see, the difference in price between Bitcoin selling on Bitfinex and every other exchange, there is actually a 6% risk premium to using Bitfinex because guess what? You can't get your funds off of Bitfinex. You can't. So because of that, people don't really want to have their funds on there. Now that's all for the news today. Enjoy the episode. I will catch you all later tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace.